Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. First of all, I want to say I am really having a great experience recording videos with the LG G Pad. I haven't done it in a long time, and I'm like, it's just so much easier for me to do it this way. Can record the video. The video to me looks nice in the viewfinder, so I'm always looking to the right just a little bit. Look at the viewfinder. But with good lighting and everything like that, I can get a pretty decent video. But anyway, just real quick in a nutshell, I wanted to talk to you guys about my experience, an update video to my experience using Metro by T-Mobile. And I gotta tell you guys that Metro by T-Mobile has actually sufficed. It's really good, and I have to really say that T-Mobile has stepped up their network here in Phoenix, Arizona. Can't say for everywhere in the United States, but I can only talk about Phoenix, Arizona, and tell you guys that it's actually been quite wonderful here. I'm actually impressed with some advancements that they made in their network connectivity. I will show you guys an MPerf score that I just took, and that's what I got. Obviously, browsing, you know, at 60%, 31 or about 32% for streaming, so it's not really so good for streaming video content. But the speed is actually not bad, and this is inside this apartment where I used to run a speed test with Metro the last time that I had them, which was earlier this year, and I was only getting like 30, a little bit under 30, like under 20 sometimes on the down, and I'm pulling more speeds here. Now I know some people will say, well, you know, the speed tests are kind of fudge for T-Mobile and everything like that, and like, look, I can say this, like, I can browse everything, Twitter, Facebook, and all that stuff without ever feeling the need to connect to my home Wi-Fi just to be able to do those things. I put I put the SIM in different phones. That's probably one thing I don't like about Metro, is having to always log in and do a SIM swap. But then again, I kind of like that as like an added security, just because if, you know, if someone was dumb enough to just steal my SIM card and not my entire phone, the service wouldn't work if they popped it into their phone. They would have to gain access to my account in order to make a device swap. And so that's probably the only good thing about that. But that's very rare that you hear anyone actually hijacking, well, you know, taking your SIM card only. You know, they usually go for the phone. But then again, I guess they took your phone and everything like that, and they sold your phone to somebody but kept the SIM and thought they were going to run the SIM card on their device. At least you have that peace of mind knowing that they're not going to be able to. So I guess it's another scenario where it kind of makes sense for that. But that's like the only gripe. But I have tested the SIM in various different phones. I've put it in the Pixel 2 XL. I've put it in the Pixel 3, the 4A, the 3A, the 4, and the 5. And you know, it's worked great with LTE model phones. I get decent speeds on that too. Normally in here with devices that only connect to LTE, I probably get like maybe 1 or 2 megs. With Metro in them, I've gotten about 6 to 10, so that's pretty nice compared to what it was before. And yeah, you know, it's been doing what it needs to do. So, you know, shout out to T-Mobile for actually making advancements in their network connectivity. I know Metro is a subsection of T-Mobile. Basically, it's a prepaid owned by T-Mobile, so its priority access is not going to be the same as postpaid T-Mobile. But in no way do I feel like that I want to try postpaid T-Mobile. If I wanted to, I could probably just do the whole test drive thing with the iPhone XS if I wanted to really test their network, their postpaid side of things. But anyways, call quality is really good. I can hear things. It's solid. It doesn't really cut out on me. Whether it's you know, voice over LTE, or if it's just, you know, cellular connection or voice over Wi-Fi, it works pretty good. And I like the fact that you do have Wi-Fi calling and whatnot. It's actually really cool with the whole video calling thing. It utilizes Duo, so if anyone's ever curious about that, I believe that they do have their own native. I could be wrong, but I don't know anybody else with a Metro line that I can test that out with. So anytime that I do option from the dialer to make a video call, it uses Duo to do that. So it is what it is. At the end of the day, any place that I've gone to, it's been kind of reliable. I've gone inside Walmart, which has a lot of metal beams and stuff like that I figured would interfere with the signal connectivity, and it actually connects pretty good. I think they do have like mini nodes inside of Walmart to kind of enhance the signal connection. But like other places that I've gone to, it's just working just fine. So have no complaints there. Places that I've traveled outside of Phoenix, going to different places, I maintain a good constant connection. And places where T-Mobile doesn't have coverage, of course, it's going to drop. And I understand that. I'm not oblivious to the fact that T-Mobile does not cover exactly 100% of the entire United States per every millimeter. That's just not how it works. But in places that I need it to work, it does work. Love the fact that it is totally unlimited everything. It's second to Visible in my opinion, because Visible is unlimited everything with no DPRIO. Metro does have DPRIO, I believe, at 35 gigs or 55 gigs. If you are in a congested area, it will slow down. So that's probably the only caveat, really. And yeah, it's totally fine. So I'm not a fan of T-Mobile's business practices, but as far as like connection and network and stuff, 2 thumbs up. I give Metro. Really good work T-Mobile has done. So anyways, guys, that's just my quick update thoughts on Metro by T-Mobile. I will do another one after I've had the service for completely a month. Follow up with that with a 3-month and then a 6-month. So be on the lookout for those videos. Thanks for checking out this video. If you guys enjoyed it, you guys know what to do. Smash the like button. If you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button. Bell option too as well, so you're notified when I upload another video. And that's it for right now. Also, tell me how the quality of the video looks. I'm shooting from the LG G Pad 5 10.1. Just makes it easier for me to edit video and get it uploaded. So please do those things in the comment section of the video. Read the description if you guys want to connect with me on other social platforms. So if you guys want to help support the channel, links are in the description. Definitely would appreciate that. That's it for right now, guys. As always, aloha.